On today's show, we got a quick, simple, and delicious little recipe. We're going to take some cod, like we got right here, with a little magic potion is going to happen right over here, and with a little Harry Potter-esque wizardry, we're going to turn this into lobster. Well, almost lobster. Tastes like lobster. Hey, welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. We've got everything we need right here, so let's go ahead and get started on our poor man's lobster right now. Let's go ahead and get started on our poor man's lobster, as they call it. Let's take a look at our ingredients. It isn't a whole heck of a lot right here. Oh man, it is. It's boiling. We got water right there. We've got about 6 cups of water. I'm going to remove that right there. We've brought it up to a boil. I'm going to turn it down. These tags are not quite ready for it. So we got 6 cups of water. We have just under a half a cup of sugar. And we've got some lemons. That's going to be our magic potion. And then right here, we've got some cod fillets, little pieces of cod. You know, we just kind of cut it out. You know, actually, I'll show you how I did it, since I magically have a piece of that. So we will come in here. We'll move this right here, so y'all can see what we're gonna do. Clean that off. But I got this little cod fillet right here, and I'm just gonna come down and just give it a nice little cut like that. And we're gonna just kind of create a nice little square piece of that, just like so. Yeah, you want to keep your fingers out that way when you do that. You know what? That looks pretty daggone good. But yeah, just nice little bites of lobster here coming up in a quick second. But anyway, that's kind of what we're going to do with our cod. I don't believe, you know what? I think I can always come get the cutting board if I need it. I don't think I will. But anyway, we're going to come in right now. We're going to add our sugar. Boom, just like that. Simple, quick, and easy. Let's see. We'll grab us a spoon, and I'm going to give this a stir. Now look at that. Magically, it has dissolved. I don't know how magically that is. Now I'm going to come in, take about a half of a lemon, and we're going to squeeze that juice in here, I think, just like that. And boom, just like that. And we're also just going to add that in there, whole lemon, everything. Squeeze it and then dump it in, just like so. Voila, heck yeah. Whoop. And now we're going to bring this back up to a boil. Still not sure if I need that. Wow, making noise. We will use this for our garlic butter, a garlic lemon butter. Now, I'm not going to clarify mine because I like the flavors of all the milk fats. But if you wanted to come in and, hey, you can see it right here, make clarified butter, you kind of get your butter melted on a real low heat, and those solids will kind of float to the top. And then you'll just come in here and scoop those solids off, and then slowly pour what's left of that into a little bowl. There are also some other, I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, right here, I think you can. There's also some other little solids after you get the floaters. We're back to floaters again. The floating solids off. But anyway, then that would be your clarified butter. Heck, no, I don't, nope, not me. So you know what we're going to do right now? We're going to come in here. I'm going to take this, turn this heat up just a tad for my butter. And yeah, I guess I did need this. And I'm going to put my lemon juice into our butter, just like that. And you know what? What the heck? Go ahead and put that in. Let's see, now I'm going to come over, and for my garlic citrus, garlic lemon butter, I like to use good old granulated garlic. So we're going to come in here, and that looks pretty daggone good to me. Stir that up and let that kind of begin to bubble up and boil, and then we will kind of mix that up and get it all good and tasty. Now, we are at the point where we need to be. If you wanted to come in and scoop some little that foam off, that's fine. I'm not going to worry about it. We're going to come in now, and we're going to add our diced cod pieces. Now, you don't have to use cod. You can use pollock or any other kind of white fish. Now, the important thing, you've put them in there, don't stir it. Leave it alone. What's going to happen when they are done, they're going to float to the top. Then we'll scoop those off and put them on a little paper towel so they can dry. And then we are so close, oh so close to having, and it is crazy. I guess this is kind of like culinary wizardry going on, but it really does have that sweet flavor of lobster and crab. It's something else. Heck yes. So here we go. We're going to wait for it to float. Oh man, I tell you what, it looks like we've got some fish floaters or some poor man crab floaters. Heck yeah, look at that. Yeah, see how they just pop right up? Heck yeah. And we'll just come in here and magically, we've got a little plate with some paper towels on it, so we can come in, we're just gonna scoop those guys up without, man, that is amazing. Look at that, looks just like little pieces of lobster. So we're just gonna come in here and we're gonna scoop everything right off the top. Heck yeah, just like that. Again, trying not to disturb those little fellas on the bottom. But I mean, this is, we're pretty much done. Yes, we are. So I'm gonna turn that off, just like so. I'm gonna remove it from the heat. Whoa, got a little carried away. I don't know why it does that. I don't know. Anyway, so here we go. We're gonna come in and we're just gonna scoop away. And boom, just like that, we're done. I mean, that's amazing. How quick. I mean, goodness gracious, that couple of minutes, heck yeah, we are done. Now put this up. We will now move this back over here. I do have my butter reheated and milk fats. And all I have my garlic lemon butter right there. So what are we going to do here? I tell you what, right here, magically, we have cute little, I don't know what you call it, little fish scallop dish that you can put your, well, we're going to put our poor man's lobster there, and we're going to add a little bit of our butter right on top. Let's do it this way, just like so. Oh my, yes, heck yeah. Now let's see here what we got. You know what? I'm gonna give that a try. It's amazing. Really is. I don't know how how it works, but wow. So, what is the best way we're gonna do this? Just like that. And now, get my little lemon. Drop this in here. I don't know. Bingo, you know, there isn't a whole heck of a lot we can do with presentation, but you know, I magically have a little lemon slice right here. I don't know what we'll do with that. Yeah, we'll do something like that. I don't know. Let's see, move you out the way. I don't know what else we can do, but oh my goodness, check that thing out right there. You know, I guess we got a little bit of parsley. Let's see, will that give us anything? I don't know, what the heck. We'll do something like that. A little bit on top of our butter. Heck yeah, here. There we are. Oh my goodness, how about that right there? Heck yeah. Man, you know what, I tell you, we're gonna have to try it. Although I did have a little taste, but we're gonna have to try it with some of our butter. So I'm gonna come in here with my little marlin skewer, kind of give that a little bit of a taste right here. I mean, this has got to be good. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. It really is, because you get that sweetness just like you would in crab legs or lobster. Unbelievable. Excuse me. That is delicious. Wow, man. Hey, for the recipe, check out the description down below. Got a nice little link for you to download that. And right over here, hey, how about, speaking of lobster, how about a sous vide lobster? Something a little different there too. And right there, Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. It all does help. And until next time, God bless, and we'll see y'all soon.